All right, I promise to be quick with this one, and I'm going to show you right away. There is a way for you to verify your proof of address on Deriv without actually using any documents. Yes, I mean, you don't need bank statement, you don't need utility bill. You only need your phone or any device at all that you're using. You need the location enabled on that particular device, and you are good to go. So they've ruled this out a couple of months ago. It might be available in your country right now, or it might not be available. So after this video, I want you to test it out and let me know if it is available in your country or not. So having said that, how do we do this, right? So you only need to enable the location service on your phone or your device right now. After that, log into your Deriv account. Now, if you don't have a Deriv account, it's fine. Don't worry. I'm going to show you something that you have to do when you are creating your account so that it becomes very, very easy for you to do your verification. All right. So back to the main video. Let's continue. So just log into your account right now. Once you log into your Deriv account, go straight to your profile, go to your account settings, then scroll down all the way to the verification center, right? Go straight to the proof of address verification. When you get there, you will see options like this that will ask you to enable the GPS location on your phone. Once you enable that, the device or Deriv will automatically detect your location and verify your address using that particular location. The address will pop up for you to verify that that's correct. So what I recommend you do is that you stay at the location where you are actually staying, where you are residing. You stay at that place before you do this so that that particular location could be picked and used for your verification. It's as simple as that. Now, if you don't have a Deriv account and you want to create it and go through this verification step without any issue, then this is what you have to do. Pay close attention. So there's going to be a link in the video description. Click on that link. When you get to the registration page, just register. Use your correct details, please. Use your legal details like your name, your Gmail accounts, where you stay, and all those things. Use the correct one. Don't fake anything. Use the correct one. Once you are done with that, do not go ahead and create any MT5 or CFD accounts yet. After creating the general Deriv account, don't open any MT5 accounts yet. This is what I want to let you know. Don't open any MT5 account yet. Go ahead and verify your proof of identity using your ID card. Then go straight to your proof of address. This is where you are allowed to use your GPS system easily, right? Why am I saying this? Because for some people, if you create the MT5 or the CFD account first before you want to verify your address using the GPS system, it doesn't work. For some reasons, it doesn't work. So I advise that if you are creating a new Deriv account, you make sure you create a general Deriv account, then verify your proof of identity and a proof of address using the GPS system before you go ahead and create your CFD account or the MT5 account, the standard one over there. Then you start trading with it. It's as simple as that, guys. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video. And now, if you want to take your Forex trading to the next level, then check out this playlist on the screen right now. That is a whole course for you, right? I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you.